Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how do you install UiPath robots in user mode and service mode. What is user mode and what is service mode? In detail we will have an understanding. So when I have to install unattended robots, you will hear about two things. You need to install the unattended robot in the service mode. So what is that? In detail we will have a discussion in this video. So let's move on to the screen and let's get started. So we were talking about installing robots in user mode and service mode. Where do you find, how do you install it? You need a MSI file or a package where you can click and install. Now for that, the very first thing you have to do, log into cloud.uipath.com, and then you have to click on this home page. Here on the right hand side you have the download where you install your studio, right? And the same thing, you need to download this MSI file. This MSI file is, I think, close to 1 GB. I'm using an enterprise edition, so it is around 1 GB. UiPath Studio Cloud.msi. You might find UiPath.studiocommunity.msi. Okay, so this is the installer package. Double click on this file. Once you double click, this is what you are going to see. Okay, this is what you are going to see on your computer. On the main screen, there will be two options. Quick recommended for community users, and the second one custom recommended for enterprise and advanced users. Okay, so anyways we will not go through this, because if you go through this you will simply install and you will never know what is a user mode and a service mode. Okay, this is not the option. We have to go with the second option. Okay, we have to go with the second option, and I'm going to hit on configure. And then the next question comes to the mind, Rakesh, what is user mode and service mode, and why you have to install a robot in these two modes? What are those? Everything in detail we are going to discuss. Okay, not to worry at all. Now we are in the second page. In the second page there are two options: install for me only and install for all users on this computer. So let's see the difference. Okay, install for me only means on your PC. For example, this is my computer. On my computer, this is a user account which I have created, Rakesh. So this is one user account. On your laptop, you may have multiple user accounts, right? Like your for your brother, for your wife, or somebody else, you have made few more accounts for other people to use it. Now, if you have to install the Studio Robot or the Studio X in for all the users, then you should go for this option. If you only want to install on your user account, then you should go for this option. Okay, install for me only. So we will explore both the options, and I'm going to talk about those two things, user mode and service mode. So let me first go with the first option. Okay, you can also read the description here. The product will be available to your user account only and will be installed in your profile folder. Local administrator privileges are not required. In the second option, this product will be available to all users on this computer. This option has more integration available and the capability of running unattended automations. Okay, this is very important. When I have to go for unattended automation, I have to select this. So let me first show you why I have to select this, why not the first one. Let me go with the first one, and I'm going to hit on choose package. Okay, here I do not see the third option, which is unattended automation, unattended robot. I see attended robot, I see automation developer, but I do not see unattended robot. Getting it? So for unattended robot, you have to select the which option? You have to always select the second option, install for all users. Okay, this option has to be selected. Okay, now what are the other things there in the first one? Hit on choose packages. First is automation developer. Okay, what is automation developer? If you go with this option and hit on install, I'm not going to hit on install. If you hit on install, what would happen? UiPath Studio, Studio X, Assistant and Robot to build and run automation will be installed. So if you click on this advanced settings, you see there is no such option called user mode and service mode. No such options are there. Okay, so this option is not the right option. Okay, I'll go back. So install for me is not having all that I want. User mode and service mode is not there in this option. Attended robot, install UiPath Assistant, attended robot to run attended automation. Now if I click on this advanced settings, do I see something called user mode and service mode? I don't see that option here also. Okay, that means these two options are not what we are looking for. So I will go back. So install for me is not the option. I have to go with the second option, which is install for all users on this computer. This is very important, right? When you are doing a VM setup on your company, right? In the VM, if you want to run an unattended automation, this is how you have to install. So here I am selecting install for all users on this computer. I'm going to hit on choose packages. Okay, VM means virtual machine, right? Virtual machine, or RDP, what you call. So here there are three options, and in this option, when you go for all users, that is where I see the unattended robot. Getting it? This is where I will see the unattended robot. And here, if you click on this advanced settings, do not hit on install, it will start installing. Okay, you will not learn. Click on this advanced settings. Okay, it will ask you where you would like to install the license code, orchestrator URL, client ID, client secret. In the previous video I have shown how to find the client ID, client secret. Okay, if not, I will create a separate individual video for this. And here if you see, install UiPath Studio. If you want UiPath Studio, if you do not want UiPath Studio, only unattended robot, then you have to simply go with this option, hit on install. Okay, so this unattended robot will be installed in which mode? It will be installed in the service mode. Okay, because you are going for a unattended this one, so this will be installed always in the service mode. Now, so wait, what is the documentation for this? It should be there should be a UiPath documentation, right? To understand, let me show you. So when I'm going for unattended robot, install UiPath Robot for running unattended automation by orchestrator. The following components and options are selected by default. Assistant will be installed, and this will be installed as service mode robot. Remember, when I'm going for unattended robot directly, the third option, this will by default, as per the documentation, it is going to install in service mode. Getting it? Now you have a question, Rakesh, where is the option? What is service mode? First of all, okay, let me show you that definition of service mode and user mode. The definition of service mode: select the robot installation type service mode. Okay, let me maximize the page slide a bit. Okay, service mode, they recommended options for running unattended automation. If you are going for an unattended automation setup, you should always go for a service mode. Okay, you should always go for a service mode. This is the documentation from UiPath. What is user mode? The recommended option for creating and testing automations and running attended automations, then you should go for user mode. If you just want to test, an attended automation, then you should go for user mode. For unattended automation, it is required for you to go to service mode. So by selecting the third option, right, when you select the third option, by default, when you select this unattended robot, you are going for service mode. First point is clear. Now let's move on to the other important point. Okay, what would happen if you go for automation developer? Automation developer, there is another top option. If I'm going to click on this advanced settings, okay, if I click on this advanced settings, here if you see, it is giving you two different options. Now in automation developer, the difference is, in the third one, it is only installing the robot and assistant. In the first one, it is going to install Studio, it is going to install Studio X, okay, and robot. Three things will be installed. You have an option to choose whether to go for a user mode, attended automation, or you want to go for a service mode. So I will go for a service mode, then I should enter all the required details and select service mode and hit on install. So if you hit on install, it will continue the installation process from here. So this should be pretty clear. And also I'm going to provide you the link to this documentation where you can find more details around this. Okay, if you have any questions around which one, but things should be pretty clear. Let me revise. Okay, very important. When you are asked, you have to set up some 5 virtual machines. You have to set up some 5 virtual machines in unattended robot so that we can run some unattended automation. So which option? First thing, you will download this MSI file. Once you download this MSI file, you will select the install for all users on this computer, the second option. Then you will click on choose packages, and straightforward I will go for unattended robot. In case there will be developers who will be also logging into that virtual machine and using Studio for development purpose, then I can go with the first option and advanced settings, and I can select the service mode. If you need attended automation, then I will go for user mode. Okay, so I've revised this, so this should be pretty clear. And on top of this, I'm going to provide link to this documentation in the video description. Please do find some time to go through this documentation so that you can get some extra knowledge around how this setup is being made and how they are going to function. Alright guys, so that was the intention of this video. Thank you very much for watching this. We are going to come up with more such interesting concepts around UiPath. Thank you, take care, and we are going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.